Beautiful, isn't it, eh? Beautiful. Well, Monday. Wish Monday would hurt and come. Ooh, magpie. See it? Saying something. Whack! Monday and Tuesday should be 2 good days for me. Picking up juices and doing all that malarkey. Monday, hopefully, find out something about some housing for me, yeah. I'm tired of being on the street, I'm tired and run down, so is my body. And it's only the vaping and my granddaughter that's kept me going, truthfully, peeps, really. Okay. Because if it wasn't for the vaping, I'd be up here right now with my dad and my auntie. With a needle hanging out my arm. Yeah, a needle hanging out my arm. I know more than most, seen more than most. And that's what's made me strong, seeing I've been through so much shit. Two-faced bullshitting peeps, I've seen it all. Yeah, seen it all. So, it's the vaping that's kept me going and my granddaughters. Like I said, Monday hopefully I may find out about some housing for me. I don't know. Empty promise, I keep hearing this before, empty promises. And then being let down as per usual. There isn't enough caring peeps. Not enough caring peeps. Give me the money, I'd do something for the town and for the people, trust you that, because I'm a people person. I don't care about Mr. fucking I great I am such and such amount of money. I don't give a fuck, you just do it. You don't need your name and status all flashed up in lights, you just do things. And you don't need to go to church to do good either, peeps. Good is in you, it's within you, you just do it. Some things I think brings the worst out in people. Does. YouTube's definitely one of them. Yeah. Anything for hits, subs, lies, the dirtiness they'll tell. Okay, it's like, what? It's naughty. Wrong, what's the matter with you? Having a conscience? Because I certainly do. So I couldn't be a billion, million trillionaire and not do nothing for the world. I'll tell you that much. And do you know what? I could have all the money in the world. And I'd still act and dress the same. You know what bullshit with me? And I did this for such and I did that for such and such. Fuck off. You just do things in life because you're a good-natured person, not for recognition. You just do them. I don't know, I did have to do some weird old kind of ranting, don't I, eh? Yeah, have a look round. All these people could just stand up at once. Like my dad told me and taught me, the dead can hurt you, peeps. Nah, only the living. Is that grave robbers? Could be grave robbers. Yeah. I just fucking messing with you. Yeah, truly. Take up some vaping, peeps. Give up the old stinkers. It will save your life. These save lives. Saved my life. Gave me a life. Right. Let's get my granddaughters back and my arse back to the street properly again, isn't I? Just hope I get something on Monday. Well, not get something. Could be full of bullshit as per usual. It's enough words of wisdom, I think, for today. Letters. Yeah.